Hey guys, so today I did a tutorial on this look that I have on right now. It was kind of time consuming, but if you want to learn how to do this, then keep on watching. Okay, hey guys, it's voiceover me. So first I'm starting off with my foundation and eyebrows and everything already on, and then for the eyeshadow I just pretty much packed the colors on and then blended them out pretty well. It's kind of hard to see because my camera kept getting all weird, but I'll list off all the colors I used down below and a better description in the description box, I guess, so you can just look at that if you want a more in-depth description. Holy crap, take a shot for every time I say description. So I didn't do anything fancy with the eyeliner. I basically just lined my eyes, and then I also put like eyeliner between my eyelashes because it makes the lashes look fuller. And then after that I just put on these fake eyelashes from Ardell, and then I put some blush on. Now it's time for highlighter, so I just use this loose highlighter from Miss A, and then I also used another highlighter that has more of a gold tone. And then I changed my outfit, and I don't have a strapless bra, so you can see my bra strap, so sorry not sorry. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. Sorry, this isn't really much of a tutorial, but I just took this really small brush and I used more colors from the James Charles palette, and I basically just drew like these vines across my face. Yeah, you can probably see what's going on there. So I also put foundation all down my neck and on my chest because my foundation was way too dark on my face and it looked like I had a mask on, so I kind of had to match it. And then after using the fine brush, I switched to this kind of thicker blending brush to kind of just smooth the edges out so it wasn't so harsh.
One heart to survive when one just breaks.
Now I'm just adding the darker green from the James Charles palette to kind of add some more depth.
We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. This might be it for you. Run through the fire.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Hey, girl.
What are you doing?
What are you doing here? Hey. Oh, what's doing?
Say hi!
Hello.
No, you have to go in it.
Huh?
You have to go in it. Hello. Where are you taking him?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, that was my mom, but now I'm adding some blush from the James Charles palette, and it was really pigmented, so I really had to blend her out, but it eventually worked. Okay, so now it's time for the fake butterfly. So I actually just got these from Dollarama, and I got the lash glue from Dollarama as well because I didn't have any clear glue, so I just used lash glue to kind of glue both of them on. Now I'm just adding some white eyeliner to kind of add some more dimension. Okay, so now I'm adding these plastic flowers that I also got from Dollarama and using the same lash glue and just gluing a couple on. So I kind of felt like the look was missing something, so I just took some pink eyeshadow and kind of drew some random dots in, and then I just used this liquid lipstick from NYX to finish the look. Oh yeah, I also added some yellow eyeshadow to my cheeks and my nose to just add some more color. Alright, that's it for this look. Enjoy my montage trying to be like James Charles, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below.
If